Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Control Center and turning on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This enables the radio layer's AirDrop uses. Once done, tap AirDrop and pick contacts only for privacy or everyone to receive from anyone nearby. Make sure both devices are unlocked and awake because an iPad won't accept transfers while asleep. You're deciding who can see you, so choose appropriately. Now position devices close together, about arm's length, and move on to selecting the content you want to share. Next, open the app that holds your item. For photos, use Photos. For documents, use Files. Tap the Share icon, then look at the AirDrop row where nearby devices appear as bubbles. Tap the recipient's bubble to begin. You'll see a sending animation and a progress indicator. Meanwhile, the other person gets an accept or decline prompt. If you have several items, select them first and share in one batch to save time. Make sure the recipient stays visible on their screen until transfer completes. When transfer completes, you'll see a delivered confirmation and the file appears in Photos or the app you used. That's how you verify success. If the transfer stalls, make sure both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on and temporarily set AirDrop to everyone so discovery issues don't block it. If problems persist, restart both devices. A reboot clears many connectivity glitches. Finally, keep iPad OS updated because bug fixes often resolve repeat AirDrop issues. Now you can
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.